Okay, hi everyone, Miss Francis here again, and I know you guys could see this gorgeous background. I think it's perfect for a video like this. Um, we're in April still. A few more days to my birthday, I have to mention it. I don't know about all you, but I love, being Aries and all that horoscope stuff going on right now. So yeah, shout out to all the Aries people in the house. Hello, hi. all right. I'm so excited to be here too with this gorgeous background. My friend Jamie did fantastic job putting out the shelf. Shout out to Jamie. And all I don't know who that is. That's not the point. We're shouting out in this video because look at it. It's just so cute. All right, so this video is all about our Even Glow brightening facial moisturizer. So we upgraded it a little bit and we're revamping it, and just to make it so much better. So for those of you who liked it already, it's even better now. Same price, don't worry, we didn't raise the price. Anyway, but this video is also to give you guys some info on, making your own moisturizer. Of course, it's an educational channel on formulations and DIY and that kind of thing. So ask me any questions below, I would answer you. All right. I did have a bit of a hiccup with this video as I didn't record the beginning with me weighing out everything. But this whole month you're going to see stuff from our Even Glow line, which is everything in orange. These lovely labels. So this is the moisturizer that we did. Let's see if I can get that. This is the moisturizer that we did. This is the forms and how we package it. It's just a nice little flip top. All right, so this is the moisturizer you're gonna see me make. The one I did in the video is one for myself, so I did tweak the essential oil in it a little bit for something that my skin likes and love. But other than that, it's the new formulation. It's this line here. All right, so as I said, this month is all about that natural glow, that inner glow, just brightening the skin, taking care of the scars, the marks, the pigmentation, the age spots, and that kind of thing. Everything. I hope you guys enjoy the soap that we did, the carrot, turmeric, neem, rice flour soap. Whew, that was a mouthful. We have some masks coming out in 3 different, I probably shouldn't even tell you what that next video is. I should just literally wait. But I'm so excited because I just been using that mask and I'm loving it. But let's focus on this video. This is the moisturizer. Guys, let's just jump into the video. Stop talking. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna stop talking now. Jump into the video. You guys have fun watching that. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, follow us on all the social medias. All right, so let's just jump into the video. Wait, before I go, shout out to all the Aries. All right, guys, so my bad, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So in this liquid here has our water. I used water, vegetable glycerine, hyaluronic acid, and 0.1% xanthan gum. Yes, I know this is a lotion, but we have to make sure it stays stable and nice. Hyaluronic acid is a must, people. Didn't you not know all our face moisturizers have hyaluronic acid in it? If you didn't know, now you know. My oil mixture, I told you guys what these are down below. That's all those lovely little bottles there. Carrot seed oil is our main guy here. You see how orange it had that? Of course, I gotta scrape it out. Scrape all. Emulsify, blend this. Now, even that 1.1% of that xanthan gum, a little bit again, I wasn't even able to properly pour this out. So what you're seeing there is just a tad bit of turmeric because this already had a slight orange color. And our Even Glow line does have turmeric in everything. So it's turmeric face wash, gel cleanser, cream cleanser, moisturizer, firming facial scrub. It all has turmeric infused in it. And now, as of 2022, we added carrot seed oil to it, and we added licorice root extract to this beautiful line. this even glow line, this brightening line. So yes, now you know. Of course, this line, for those of you who have tried it, knows it have neem in it. Neem is not the best smelling essential oil in the market, but it does have great benefits, and this line has neem in it. Now, because this is for me, I wanted to add some rose geranium. My skin just love this stuff. So love, 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 love this stuff. I find it stings my skin just a bit, but when I tell you, pimple what? None. You must preserve it. You have to preserve your formulations. All right. So this is Liquid Germal Plus I just put in there. Yes, look at that texture. Look at that color. Of course, we're gonna bottle it up. Now, this was a 4-ounce formulation that I pour into these 2-ounce bottles a piece. What I did was, one for the gym. See, I could barely pour it out. So nice. But it's not thick and gel-like. It's just really, really smooth. You guys are gonna see me test it at the end. Yeah, sorry guys. I am going to have the formulation down below in the description, so you can look there to see what percentages I used what at. All right, well, not really percentages, but the formulation for this is going to be there. So if you guys want to try it, go right ahead. It's lost at the beginning, so the oils were here all the way through. You would have seen them, so I'm just going to pick them up and show you guys what I used in this simple, very effective moisturizer. This is a facial moisturizer. It is for scars and marks. It is highly effective. So I used aloe vera oil. Key ingredients here: carrot oil, some rosehip, some jojoba. So they all have great benefits. You guys can check out the video I did on oils and oils for different skin types and that kind of thing, and you will see the benefits of these oils. I added some neem. You guys may have seen the bottle come out, so it has some neem in there. It's antibacterial, antifungal properties. Of course, I used a preservative, Liquid Germal Plus, because this is a moisturizer. It has more water base in it, and we have rose geranium. Now, because I'm doing this, and I did this particular batch for myself, although I did it on camera, I added a few drops of this because my skin loves this. I will never break out if I have a moisturizer, balm, or anything, massage facial cream with this in it. Love this. This works wonders for me. The one we sell, however, it has neem in it. Not a very strong amount for you to get that big smell, that awful smell I should say, but it has neem in it. So this is what this moisturizer is. I packed it in 2 little containers for myself. One will go in my gym bag and one will go in my bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, hit me up. You want to support me and buy my products, there is a link in the description below. This is also available at Pennywise nationwide in my country and excellent stores. So you want to try this out, that's where you can find it. So until next time, guys, happy formulating. Okay, so I came back, took off my gloves, and I wanted to show you guys. Let's get it moving. Now that would be too much for the face. So it's just really, really creamy. That's it. Not too heavy at all. A little bit goes a long way. Oh my gosh, if you guys could feel how this is feeling. Wow. Yes. All right. Bye again.